Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well at home and studying well. Yes. Now, in the video number 3, we had done standing line and sleeping line. Have you revised that? Have you done that? आपने करी है practice? Standing line and sleeping line की? Yes? Very good. Now, today we will do slanting line and curve. What we will do? Slanting line and curve. What is slanting line? I will tell you how to make slanting line. See, it is not straight line. It is going little bit slant with a little bit slant. जिसको हम थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा कहते हैं ना, it will go like that only. Okay, how to write slanting line? See, I have tell you about in your English notebook. You have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have already told you, and you have to write in the 3 lines only. 1, 2, 3. Yes, remember this thing, everyone. सबको याद है? Yes, very good. Now we will do this slanting line. We will start it from third line. Which line? Third line. And you have to start from this corner, from the blue line, and go upward like this. Start from the blue line and go upward and touch the pink line like this. Okay, start from the blue line and go upward with a little bit slant and touch the pink line. Same here, start from the blue line, go upward with a little slant and touch the pink line. Same here, start from the blue line, third line, with a little bit slant, touch the pink line. ये थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी होती है. ओके, थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी होती है. इट इज अ स्लांट. इट इज अ स्लांट. नाउ this is the one way to write the slanting line from down to up. But another way is also there, from up to down. How to write from up to down? We will start from pink line, go downward and touch the third line, which is blue. Okay, same here. Start from the pink line, go downward and touch the blue line. We will write again. Start from the pink line, go downward and touch the blue line. Got it, everyone? This is the one way how to write from down to up. Another way is up to down. Okay, got it, everyone? Now we will write curve. We will write curve. It will also come in 3 lines. How much lines? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How we will write? We will start from pink line with the left curve. We have to take it to the blue line like this. Again, start from the pink line, take it to the blue line. Same here, start from the pink line, take it to the blue line. This is the one way to make curve like this from the left side. Now, there is another way also to make curve from the right side. We will start from the pink line only and take it to the right side and till the blue line. Okay, start from the pink line, take it to the right side with the curve and touch the blue line. Same here, start from the pink line, take it to the right side with the curve and touch the blue line. Okay, see, everything is coming in the 3 lines only. See, 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 lines we are using. In curve also we are using 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, got it, everyone? You have to use only 3 lines. Okay, now this work we have to do it in the English notebook. Which notebook? ABCD notebook, in which you have done standing line and sleeping line. Now open it, everyone. Now this is slanting line. This is slanting line. From here, how you have to write? You have to go from down to up. This is the blue line, third line. You have to start from here and go up. Touch the pink line. Same here. Start from the blue line. Go up and touch the pink line. Okay. In the next line also, start from the blue line, third line. Take it to upside direction and touch the pink line. Like this only. Okay. Now there is another way to write slant. Start from pink line. Take it to down. Touch the blue line. Here also like this. Start from pink line. Going downward, touch the blue line. And parents will put the dots like this only. Now we will do curve. See, I made it for you. And dots will be like this only. Parents will put dots like this. Now start from the pink line. Going left side. Making curve. Touch the blue line. Start from the pink line. Making curve to the blue line. Start from the pink line. Making curve to the left side and touch the blue line. There is another way also to make curve. How to do? Start from the pink line. Taking it to the right side and going to the blue line. Start from the pink line. Taking it to the right side and making curve and touch the blue line. Start from the pink side, making curve and taking it to the blue line. Got it, everyone? Now what you have to do? You have to do two pages of slanting line and curve. And remember one thing, that parents will put the dots like this only. In the slanting lines, dots should be like this, and in the curve, dots should be like this only. Now, in the next video number 5, we will start with our alphabets.